Hello, it's AliMECH, and in this video I will repair a leather seat. So you will need vinyl and leather repair kit, microfiber towel, detailing brush, scissors, and a cleaner. Okay, before doing anything, we have to trim the cut so you have a clean cut to work with. Now, with using detailing brush and a cleaner, clean around the cut about 1 inch. Wipe it with a microfiber towel and then leave it until it's completely dry. This is the repair kit I'm gonna use today. It comes with iron tool, bunch of colors, resin, color matching chart, templates, and a manual. These are the templates to choose, depending on what kind of leather you're working on. And these are the backing cloth. Now make sure you will choose the right template. Now I'm gonna use mixing color chart to mix the colors and then mix it with a 25% hardener powder. This is the backing cloth. Cut the backing cloth slightly bigger than the cut. Use a spatula that comes with the kit to insert the backing cloth into the cut. And now it's time to pour some resin. Using spatula to separate the resin and work your way gets under the leather. And now we have to leave it for 4 hours to cure according to the manual. So while resin gets cured, I'm gonna mix the color close as possible to my leather color. After getting the right color mixture, don't forget to mix it with a 25% hardener powder. Now apply thin layers and separate it with a spatula. And now put the template on it and iron it for 45 seconds. Once you put the template, do not move it. And do not let the iron touch the leather. After ironing for 45 seconds, let it cool for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes cooling, peel the template. If you saw the template sticking, iron it again. As you can see, we have some imperfection. I'm gonna apply another thin layer. You can leave it like that or make the holes like so. It's much better now. Only if you get close you will notice the repair. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.